but I don't know their names or haven't ever met them personally. So.
And this is just a personal question. Who is your favorite president or leader, and why?
I would say it's a tie between Nelson Mandela and Desmond Tutu for what they did did for our country. I mean, it was a miracle. I mean, we were on the brink of essentially civil unrest in 1994, and they, including F.W. de Klerk, brought the country through that into peacetime. I know thousands of particularly white South Africans fled the country before apartheid ended because they were scared for their lives.
Right.
But for those who stayed, we were very happy that everything went through peacefully, and the transition was amazing. So we're very happy. Yeah.
Okay, and Sean, I was just wondering, what are some other famous leaders in other countries that you are familiar with?
What would you say?
Well, obviously, the Queen of England, very familiar. Obviously.
Presidents of the United States.
Of course.
Obama and...
Alrighty.
And some of the, some of the other European royal families, the royal family of Denmark.
Right. There are a lot.
Yeah, there are a lot. I mean, you know.
Okay, and there are also many musicals or plays or movies that are done about historical figures in places. And I was just wondering, are there any that might be familiar that we know of from your country?
From our country?
No, no, I haven't. I haven't been to or heard of any as yet, but
Hopefully, some will be created about Nelson Mandela someday, because he is a very, very.
I mean, they may well have been created, and I just haven't had a chance to go or even heard of them. But
okay, and I was just wondering, there are documentaries broadcasted on TV about historical leaders in your country. Have you ever been able to catch any of them?
Yeah, many come on TV. Watched numerous programs.
Well, we just talked to Bruce and Jean about historical leaders in South Africa. And, of course, you can never forget Nelson Mandela. Yes, he is a big-time historical figure and never can be forgotten. Well, I hope you guys learned a lot through our conversation. Had a great time with Bruce, Jean, and me. I'll see you guys next time. Back to the studio. Bye!
자, 남아공에서 오신 분들이죠. They come from South Africa, and the two most famous leaders from that country, who are they?
Well, actually, Bruce, he mentioned Nelson Mandela and also Tutu.
Right, Desmond Tutu, president. They're both presidents, and they both actually won the Nobel Peace Prize. 그렇죠? 자, 그럼 이제 만델라 대통령하고 투투 대통령 두 분에 대해서 언급을 했는데요. 자, 이야기를 좀 이제 정리를 해보도록 하죠.
Okay. All right, well, Bruce mainly did the speaking, so yes, he did mention Nelson Mandela and also President Desmond Tutu. 자, 이 두 분에 대해서 이야기를 했었는데요. He did mention that, Nelson Mandela in particular, he brought the country to freedom, 이런 말을 했었죠. 평화와 또 자유를 주었다라는 이야기를 하면서요. 1994년도에 apartheid라는 단어 들어보셨을 거예요. 아까 들으시면서 apartheid, 인종차별 정책이란 말인데요. 그것을 철폐했다라는 이야기를 했었죠. Of course, he was talking about Mandela. And Tommy asked him, are there any queens or kings? 일단 나라 왕이나 왕비에 대해서 혹시 있느냐라고 했더니 he said no. 그렇진 않다라고 하면서 그 대신에 종족에 대한 이야기는 잠깐 했었어요. He did talk about certain tribes, African tribes. 자, 이런 종족들은 간혹 가다가 queen, 왕이나 왕비가 있는 경우도 있다라는 이야기를 했습니다. But of course, they don't have a king or queen in South Africa.
자, 그래서 만델라 대통령이 얘기하면서 이제 94년도에 apartheid라서 인종차별 정책을 철폐했다 이런 얘기도 이제 얘기를 했었고요. 당시 이제 상황을 좀 얘기합니다. 국가 자체가 was on the brink of civil war 이런 얘기를 하죠. 거의 내전의 상황까지 치달을 수 있는 그런 찰나에 있었는데 넬슨 만델라와 같은 이제 위대한 지도자가 있어서 그 상황을 이제 잘 넘겨서 이제 평화로운 어떤 결말을 맺어왔고 백인들 중에는 이제 보복이 두려워서 이제 해외로 이렇게 망명을 가고 온 사람들이 있었는데 남은 사람들은 상당히 이제 평화로운 정권 교체가 이루어지고 이렇게 이어져서 상당히 좋았었다라고 얘기를 하고 있습니다. 뭐 그 밖에 이제 그 해외 어떤 지도자들도 알고 있냐고 물어보니까 뭐 Queen of England, 뭐 President 오바마 이런 분들 얘기를 하고 있네요. 자, 어쨌든 넬슨 만델라와 데즈만드 투투, 자, 두 분을 이제 남아공에서 가장 존경하는 지도자로 이렇게 생각한다. 이렇게 정리를 해주시면 되겠네요. Alright, I think that's it for our Tell Me corner. 오늘
Yes.
마지막으로 우리 명성황후에 대한 이야기를 했었는데요. 이분에 대한 이야기를 할 때 한 가지 더 쓸 수 있는 문장 한 가지만 더 덧붙여보고 마무리하도록 하겠습니다. 문장 마지막으로 하나 보시죠. 자, 한국을요, 아까 근대화라는 말 했었는데, 개방과 상당히 밀접한 연관이 있잖아요. 자, 개방시키다라고 할 때는요, open이라고 동사에다가 up 붙여주시면 됩니다. 그래서 명성황후는 Empress 명성 helped open Korea up to the world라는 건 한국을 전 세계에 개방하는 데 도움을 줬다는 말이죠. 일조했다는 뜻입니다. 자, 같이 한번 해보시죠.
Empress Myeongseong helped open Korea up to the world. 자, let's do it two more times. Empress Myeongseong helped open Korea up to the world. One more time. Empress Myeongseong helped open Korea up to the world.
Alright, everyone, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for joining us. 저희 생활영어 홈페이지에 찾아오시면요, 다시 보기 무료로 이용 가능하시니까요. 많은 이용 부탁드리겠습니다.
Thank you for being with us. It's time to say goodbye, and we'll see you again tomorrow.
Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
I got joy, joy, joy burning through